Guys, this is an emergency meeting because TikTok just announced new massive advertising incentives. Now you can get up to $1,500 added directly to your ad account. These are exclusive incentives that you can only get if you qualify for and if you follow a couple simple steps. But don't worry, because on this video I'm going to show you how to get them so you don't miss out. Hey guys, it's the Econ Bull here. Let's get started in 3, 2, 1. Yeah! Alright, so first I'm gonna show you what these incentives are. Then I'm gonna tell you who is eligible and how you can become eligible. And then finally we're going to see how you can actually redeem these incentives. Now it's very important that you know that I have access to this information because I am an affiliate of TikTok for Business. So I get all of these special deals that they run, I get them a little bit in advance. They specifically told me not to share this information before the 18th of this month, which is exactly when this video is coming out. So these incentives come in the form of ad credit that they will add directly into your ad account. It is based on tiers. If you spend $100 within 30 days of activating this offer, you will get $100. If you spend $500, you will get $500. And the maximum, if you spend $1,500, you will get $1,500 ad credit, and you will also get a one-on-one onboarding with support. Now, I don't really care about the onboarding support, I do care about the dollars. So let's say that you activate the offer today, and after 30 days you spend $150. Well, you will get $100 within 7 days after those 30 days complete. Now, if you spend $500, you will get $500, but if you spend $1,400, you will still get only $500. Okay, you will have to go all the way to $1,500 to get the 1,500 credits. Otherwise, you get the ad credit of the lower tier. And you will receive the ad credit within 7 days after the 30 days complete, unless you spend $1,500 in less than 30 days. So if in 1 week you spend $1,500, since that is the top that you can receive as an ad credit, you will get that $1,500 ad credit within 7 days after you reach the $1,500. Now you can only use this once per every TikTok for Business account that you have. And once you activate the offer, you have 30 days that will count against your ad spend. After that, whatever you spend, it doesn't matter for this specific offer. So make sure you keep an eye on your ad spend, because it would be a shame if you finish those 30 days with $1,400 in ad spend, because $100 more will give you $1,500. And if you just close with $1,400 in ad spend, you will only get $500. Now, who is eligible for this offer? Well, if you are a new advertiser, meaning that you have never registered for a TikTok Ads Manager account, then you will be eligible. Later in the video, I'm gonna share with you the links that automatically activate the offer when you register. Also, not yet active advertisers are eligible. So if you registered for a TikTok Ads Manager account over 60 days ago, but you haven't started spending, you will be eligible. And finally, churn advertisers, which is users who have activated, so they started spending through TikTok Ads Manager, but haven't spent in the past 90 days. So if you run an ad last year, you will be eligible for this offer. Now here's how you can activate this offer. You need to go to the link that I'm gonna leave on the description of the video. But there's gonna be 4 different links, one for each regional area, right? And you must use the appropriate regional landing page that I'm gonna have on the description. So depending if you are in the United States or if you are in the UK or Australia or Canada, you're gonna use a different link, but I'm gonna leave everything on the description, very easy to go. And to make sure that you are on the correct landing page, when you click on the link and you get to the landing page, make sure that you see the amounts in your currency. So this will be the one for United States, see, 1,500 ad credit. This will be the one for the UK, see, 1,200 pounds. This will be the one from Australia, 1,800 Australian dollars. And this will be the one for Canada, okay, 1,800 Canadian dollars. And from this landing page, you're just gonna scroll down. If you don't already have a TikTok for Business account, just put an email and choose a password and click on continue. There's gonna be another step where it's gonna ask you for a little bit of information about what your company is about. It will take you 2 minutes and you will have access to your brand new TikTok for Business account with this incentive. And if you already have a TikTok for Business account, you can just go up here and click on sign in. Just make sure that you click on these links from this landing page, just so it gets recorded correctly and you get the full credits. Now, I've been talking a lot about TikTok Shop on this channel, but never really covered how to make ads for TikTok Shop. So I think I'm gonna use this new TikTok for Business account that I'm gonna get with all the credits to actually show you good ways to advertise your TikTok Shop products. So stay tuned for that video. Now, if you got some value out of this video, please give it a like and also consider subscribing for more content like this. Now watch this video for more e-commerce content. Thank you, I'm out.